Yiba Kids. Hi! Welcome back to words with two vowels close to each other. See where we at? We are on the road. Remember kids, never cross the road alone. If you have no companion, you may ask for help. When crossing the road, remember to stop and look first if there are cars coming. Always be careful. Let's continue on words with O and A, close to each other. This is also an easy one. Most of the words sounds the same, and read like a long O. Again, follow my yellow star wand. Let's go and start reading. Oat. Oat. Remember grain from words with AI? Oat is a type cereal grain. I know you have heard of oatmeal. Oatmeal is a very popular breakfast food that consists of oats and milk. There are these instances where we see words are related. I'm happy to teach you this. Boat. Boat. Coat. Coat. Goat. Goat. Float. Float. Bore. Bore. Board. Board. Coal. Coal. You might not heard of this yet. Let me explain to you in the simplest way. A coal is a black or brown rock that can be used to generate electricity. We have light because of coal. Isn't that amazing? Goal. Goal. Load. Load. Road. Road. Toad. Toad. Loaf. Loaf. Toast. Toast. Roast. Roast. Soap. Soap. Coach. Coach. Throat. Throat. Throat is the front of the neck, or the space inside the neck down which food and air can go. It helps you to breathe and digest food. See the picture? That's where the throat is. I hope you learn this one. Foam. Foam. Great job! Did you ever wonder that you know a lot of those words but didn't know they have O and A in it? I know you've encountered a lot of those words already. Later on you would encounter raincoat, styrofoam, charcoal and many more. That's my goal, for you to have an idea how to read those words. You can go to the next step with two vowels close to each other. Video link is in the description.